Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset your password on the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So now you will need to go to the profile settings. So basically you are just going to click on this profile button. You go to accounts, and here you will find these options. You click on login and security, and now you will find the login password. So after that you will need just to click on update. You click on it, and here you will add your current password, and here you will need or you will add the new password, and then you will just repeat it here as confirmation. And the final step is to click on update password. So after you click on update password, you will have your password that has been changed and resetted successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.